Hi, my name is Ragil Devi Rama. So today I'm going to show you one of my project, which is pot-in-pot refrigerator, which is I'm going to use two type of size pots, and it's clay pots, and also I'm using black sand. I'm going to show you how to start with our project and what are the procedure. So I used one of the thick plastic with a bubble wrap to close the hole here. This is the small pot, which is the smaller pot than the previous one, clay, and this both the bigger and the smaller is made up from clay pot. This is the black sand which I'm going to use for our project. So we are going to see what are the temperature of the soil, and inner temperature and outer temperature. So we have the gap between pot number 1 and pot number 2, which is around 1 centimeter. So here the where we put the black soil in between the big pot and the small pot. So we already put the black soil in between these two pots. So next we're going to pour water in between this pot into the black soil.
Hi everyone, my name is Shobana. I am doing a pot-in-pot refrigerator. First of all, we must put a big pot, then inside the sand, red sand. Then put the small pot. Then we need to add the apple, tomatoes, long beans and so on. So far this is the day 3. Still the tomato and apples are the freshest. Thank you.
So previously my project, I was finding for a measuring temperature to detect outer, inner and soil temperature for my pot-in-pot refrigerator project. Infrared temperature can be used for detect soil, inner and outer temperature. So I'll show you in this video how to detect it. This is a pot-in-pot refrigerator project. The black sand pot, it is in the body temperature. So this is the mode. We have to change to surface temperature, and you can detect outer temperature, which is 24.5. Infrared temperature is used for detect our body temperature, or whether we can detect we have a fever or not. But it is also very useful to use to detect the soil temperature and outer and inner temperature of the surface.